Hi, welcome, my name's Crow, welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums, doing a little sound demo video for you today. It's for one of our Etsy listings. It's for this beautiful little 14-inch Deerskin shamanic drum. It's rather beautiful. You can see it's got a hazel branch there on the back. It's on a beechwood frame. On the inside here I put beechwood and deerskin, so you've always got that reference point. Also the date of birth, which was the 17th of November 2022. And that's so you can go along and look at the astrological aspects. I've also put Driftwood Hollow Drums in there, which is my maker's mark. So the purpose of the video is to give you a little sound demonstration, if you like, so you can see what the drum sounds like. I'm going to play with a soft beater, and I've got another beater in my pocket, a firmer beater. I'll play with that one halfway through as well, so you can see the difference between the two. There's an option to purchase either one of those at the checkout if you decide that this is the right drum for you. So here we go, righty-ho. Lovely, and then the firmer beater. Gorgeous. Okay, well, hope this little video has helped you. Hope it helps you to make a more informed decision when you're coming to choose your shamanic drum online. It's very difficult. So that's why I make these little videos, so you can actually hear what they sound like. I'm Crow, it's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.